Teeth. The first sets of teeth of a person are called milk or temporary teeth, and they are usually 20. The temporary teeth are replaced by permanent teeth. The permanent teeth are divided into four main parts, namely the incisors, the canine, the premolar and the molar. The incisors. These are front teeth in the mouth which have a cutting edge. They are used for cutting off lumps of food and are 8 in number. The canine. These teeth are on both sides of the mouth. They are 4 sharp pointed teeth and are used for tearing food. They are sometimes called dog teeth. The premolar. They are next to the canine. They are for tearing and grinding food. They have a flat surface and are usually 8 in number. The molar. These are large back teeth, with flattened surfaces next to premolar. They are 12 in number and used for crushing and chewing food. Thanks for watching.